Welcome to Unoya Consultants. Today we're going to show you how to use the concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. So the concatenate function combines text from different cells into one cell. For example, you might have different columns that you need combined into one. Our first example that we're going to look at is hello, which is in cell A10, and then we've got world, that is in B10. We need them to be in one cell, C10. So we're going to start our concatenate function, and we're going to first select the first word in the order you'd want. So once we've selected the first word, we are going to put a comma and we're going to select the next word. Once we've selected all the words we want to combine, we are going to close our bracket and press enter. We can see hello world is now combined, but hello world is now one word. We need them combined in one cell, but they should be two separate words. So what we're going to do in our formula, we're just going to edit by adding two open quotes with a space in between. This is going to represent the space between the two words, and we're going to put a comma and enter. So we can now see hello world is now in the combined cell, but each word is separate. You can also use the concatenate function to create unique keys. This could be from different numbers or text that you have in different cells. So for example, we've got the number 15 as well as key in a different cell, and once we selected them, we can press enter, and there we go. And this is how the concatenate function works in Microsoft Excel.